Today I'm making chocolate chip pecan oatmeal bars. First, in a large bowl I have 1 stick of melted butter. Next I'm going to add 1/3 of a cup of sugar. Then add 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Next add a teaspoon of vanilla extract and mix that up until combined. Next add 1 egg and mix that up. Then add 1/2 cup of flour. Then 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder. Next add 1 1/2 cups of quick oats. Mix until well combined. Then I'm going to add 1/3 cup of each mini semi-sweet chocolate chips and milk chocolate chip. Then 1/2 cup of chopped pecans and mix that up until combined. Next, I have a lined 9x9 baking pan. I'm going to add the oatmeal bars into the pan and press it into an even layer and then bake this at 350 for 25 to 30 minutes. Once the oatmeal bars are cooled, I cut them into pieces and here's an up-close look.